We go through the initial setup to use new functions in Pensoft from now. Confirm your screen resolution is set to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Pensoft has whiteboard mode and overlay mode. Let's set up whiteboard mode. Touch this icon and the settings screen will appear. Next, touch Customize Toolbar button here. Add all tool comments. Set the style toolbar to floating. Press OK to finish this setup. You can draw and write on the screen like actual whiteboard. Let's change pen size. You can choose among 3 color palettes. Touch one of them to change the color. You can change the color of a palette. Touch Setting button. Touch Selecting color button. Touch Define custom colors. Select your favorite color. Touch Add to custom colors button. Let's draw a line like a highlighter. Put a check on transparent box. Use whiteboard cleaner to erase what you draw, or by your hand. Touch this icon to erase with the pen. Use this icon to undo and redo. You can redo the operation you canceled just before. Touch this icon to change the current working sheet. Touch this icon to save your sheet. Save in SWS file, which is Pensoft proprietary format. You can even save your sheet in PDF or image file formats. Touch this icon to print out the current sheet. You can even touch this neighboring icon to print out all the sheets. To open the new file, touch this icon. Touch Open as a new SWS file. Close current sheet. Select the file to open. When you want to add a file in the current sheet, touch Add to the current sheet. You can minimize Pensoft with the button. Touch Pensoft icon in taskbar to revert. When you want to terminate Pensoft, touch this icon. This is an icon to pull up the list of sheets and to edit them. Double-touch the sheet you want to change to. Select the sheet you want to copy and touch Copy button. Touch Delete button to delete the sheet. Add new sheet by touching this button. To change the order of the sheets, drag the sheet in place. Let's try to delete all the sheets. Touch Delete all sheets. You can insert some shapes like circle, square, and images. Let's see how to insert a triangle shape. Select Triangle in Property of Shape. Specify an area to insert a triangle. Let's draw a line. You can specify color and size. You can draw a formatting shape. Freehand circle is translated to formatting shape. Touch this icon to input text. Specify an area to insert. With this icon, you can input text in handwriting. Handwriting text is translated to formatting text. Let's input a text with touch keyboard. Touch keyboard icon. Touch this icon to import an image file. Select an image file. Touch this icon to import Capture Desktop images. Select Capture Selection icon, specify an area you want to import, and touch Paste to this sheet. We call what you draw is an object. You can modify the object in scale, color, and so on. Let's see how to operate. In the first place, touch on this icon and then select the target object. Now you can move it. Make it bigger and smaller. To rotate an object, drag this point. Touch this icon to pull down a menu for several other operations. Copy the object and paste it. You can, of course, delete the object. You can also change color or size. You can change the viewport scale with dual touch operation. Touch this icon. Now you can change viewport position. touch this icon, double touch quickly on area you want to zoom in. It will zoom in deeper. You'll get back to original scale with another double touch. Touch this icon. You can set Pensoft Canvas half off to show another application like web browser for reference or operation. You can import a result of printout from any application to Pensoft. Let's import from PowerPoint as a practice. Launch PowerPoint and select Print from File menu. In Printer selection, select Send Data to Pensoft and touch Print icon. Launch Pensoft and then touch this blinking icon. Every page in the PowerPoint file was imported as images, and you can use them in Pensoft now. Touch this icon to change wallpaper. Select Show Background Image. Touch Reference button. Select an image you prefer. Overlay mode of Pensoft lets you draw shapes and text on what you see on the Windows desktop. With another application running, launch Pensoft in overlay mode. You can draw a direction on the map. This is one of the examples of useful usage in this mode. Turn off the overlay mode whenever you want to operate applications on the Windows desktop. Touch this icon again to revert to overlay mode. Use Loop tool with which you can see in bigger scale. Starting slideshow in PowerPoint, the control toolbar shows up. Touch this icon and draw on a PowerPoint slide. Erase drawing you made with this icon. Touch this icon to turn off pen mode. Touch this icon to move to previous slide. Move to next slide. Touch this icon whenever you want to use Pensoft. To get back to slideshow in PowerPoint, touch this icon. To terminate slideshow, touch this icon. You can save your drawings in PowerPoint file. You can import images. Touch this icon to import images.